and it's a show of strength. It's a display of strength by the bulls. The breadth is strong. Market, it's a gap up start for benchmark indices. We're almost at 17,950, so 50 points and then it's 18,000. Bang, you break the wall and then you climb high. IT index, of course, is not looking that great. The wall is also looking slightly different today. I'm not just imagining it. The market breadth is looking much better. Now let's look at Wipro, Tech Mahindra. You had numbers from LT Mindtree and then Emphasis. Surprise, surprise, none of these numbers have been strong, and yet markets are saying, okay, we knew this was coming. I thought the numbers were way below estimates, but markets are not reacting to it. Indian hotels, markets know that numbers were strong. And on strong numbers, if there is a beat, markets would always say thank you very much. And that's what is happening to the stock right now. As we walk into trade this morning, Indian markets are greeting strong numbers from Indian hotels. Awan?
Yep, and there's a whole host of other numbers, and yes, indeed, the markets are looking quite steady right now at the 17,940 mark. Let's check in on Axis Bank. Earnings beat, net interest margins have been healthy. Tech Mahindra, the deal wins have been the lowest in the last 9 quarters, and let's just check in as to what that stock is up to in trade this morning. Other than that, you've got PI Industries. Remember, their foray into the pharma space is going to be fairly critical. Trent as well, revenues have been fairly strong from the company. Glenmark Life, margins have expanded and the operational performance as well has been healthy. Meantime, LTI Mindtree with the cross-currency growth has been below what the street was estimating. Raymond as well, you flagged that off. Let's just check in on the stock yet again as to what it's up to, along with Godrej Consumer. Remember, they're going to acquire the FMCG business for 2,825 crores. And then you've got a whole host of other stocks that will be in the spotlight. IRB Infra, they've been the selected bidder for a project in Hyderabad. Aarti Surfactants, which came out with its quarterly performance. Emphasis, another IT major that came out with its earnings. Cross-currency revenue growth was down about 4.5%. ACC as well missed street estimates. Today we'll be watching out closely for Ultratech, so a quick check-in on that stock. Motilal Oswal Financial and Shriram Finance, they haven't been the best set of earnings. But I guess no complaints staring at that screen at 17,938. Let's find out what our chartists are punching in as their top trades and